In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Atlassian Confluence Wiki. Let's start by opening your Confluence site. You'll land on your home or space overview where you can see recent pages and navigation. This is your hub for organizing team knowledge, so keep in mind how you want your content structured as you begin. At the top of the screen, select Create. This opens the editor and is where all new content begins. If you see several options, choose Page. A standard page is perfect for most documentation, guides, and notes, and it gives you the full editor with formatting, media, and macros. Begin by typing a clear, specific title. Good titles make pages findable and keep your wiki consistent. Consider a naming pattern like Team, Topic, Detail, or Project. Procedure, so related pages group together in search and the sidebar. Avoid dates and titles unless absolutely necessary. Let Confluence track the history for you. Next, add a small visual cue with an emoji next to the title. Click the emoji option to open the picker, then search for something that matches the page's purpose. Used sparingly, emojis make long lists of pages easier to scan and can subtly signal status or category. While you're laying out the top of the page, insert a status lozenge. Click Status and choose a color and label like Draft, In Progress, or Approved. This sets expectations for readers and reduces confusion about whether content is ready to use. You can update this later as the page evolves. Give your page a little personality with a header image. Click Header Image to browse built-in artwork or upload a relevant banner. A simple on-brand image helps readers recognize they're in the right place and makes the page feel finished. Keep it clean and avoid busy graphics that distract from the content. Now start typing your content in the body. Use headings to break sections, short paragraphs for clarity, and tables for structured information. Checklists work well for processes, and callouts can highlight warnings or best practices. If you need richer elements, the / command lets you quickly insert things like panels, layouts, and code blocks. If you prefer a head start, open all templates. Templates are especially useful for recurring content such as meeting notes, how-to guides, runbooks, or project plans. Browse the categories, preview a few options, and pick the one that matches your use case. Choose the template you want. Confluence will populate the page with a suggested structure and placeholder text. Replace the prompts with your own content, remove sections you don't need, and keep the title conventions and status label consistent with the rest of your wiki. That's it, you've set up a clean, structured Confluence page ready for your team to use.